claim number that you call in reference to today, please? Hey, Dustin, good morning. How can I help you?
Yeah, so I got your letter stating that coverage was denied for this accident January 16th. Can you let me know why coverage was denied?
I cannot disclose the reason as to why.
You can't disclose why it's denied?
I can't disclose the reason of coverage. It's denied due to coverage, but I can't give you the specifics on the coverage issue.
Why is that? I've gotten that plenty of times. They let me know if it was an excluded driver, the policy lapsed, they didn't make a payment. Like, I hear that all day long. Why can't you tell me why?
I don't know what other adjusters may tell you, but we're not able to tell you the specifics as to why, other than it's not liability, it's a coverage issue.
Okay. Is that something new that
Yes,
Allstate's
sir.
doing, or?
I don't know that it's anything new, and like I said, I don't know if I mean, I've never worked with you before, I don't think, so I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's a reasonable thing.
What
We just need to know why coverage is denied.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll verbally tell you, but I cannot put it in writing.
Okay,
Because,
I understand
we'll
that.
Go back and forth all day, but so the policy was terminated prior, but I
Okay.
cannot tell you why it was terminated. How
Sure.
about that? But it was because no active policy was in place.
Okay, and there wasn't like a grace
That's
period
okay.
involved?
No, no. Mm-mm.
Can you let me know how long ago the policy was terminated? Like, you're talking months, a year ago? Like,
I mean, I don't know that it would matter, but it was in 2024, excuse me.
okay, got it. So it's a pretty
but
old
again,
policy.
When the accident occurred, it wasn't in effect.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you letting me know that. Unfortunate. Do you know why? So it happened January 16th. It's February 25th. So it's like over 5 weeks since the accident. Do you know why it takes so long to just determine if, a policy's in effect or not? Because this was a year ago, like you said. So I'm just for like future reference, I'm trying to understand, why does it take so long to just, it seems so simple.
Well, it does. And what we have to do on our end is gather information from our coverage team and confirm documents. We also have to try to reach out to our policyholder just to verify that our position is correct, because I have seen it where, sometimes we'll have that initial coverage alert or indication, but, if we don't have a proper document or whatever the case may be, what we see initially may not be end result. So we have to do a thorough coverage investigation.
Okay.
Now, I will tell you that I personally, which I know that really doesn't matter because it's all Allstate, I personally did not receive the claim until I emailed you on, I think it was like 2/14.
Yeah, I know you got assigned later in it, and I'm like trying to follow up for weeks on end, and then all of a sudden there's a new adjuster. That's unfortunate, but
sure, I understand.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
I appreciate you understanding.
Yeah, you're welcome. Just let me know, if you have any other questions or anything else like that I can help out with. But that coverage letter, like I said, I told you what I told you verbally, but that coverage letter does suffice.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
All right. You too. All right. Now, first off, I'm very thankful to this adjuster. She was a very nice lady. She was put in a spot where she had to deliver the bad news to me that coverage is denied. As you heard in the phone call, when coverage is denied, it's because someone didn't make a payment. There's an excluded driver. Maybe someone's living in their household and they're not on their insurance policy when they're supposed to be. There's a lot of different reasons why coverage could be denied. In this situation, his policy had lapsed. So he had insurance back in 2024, but at the time of this accident, he didn't have insurance, so there's no coverage. This is a very frustrating thing because it's been 5 weeks now. Our client's been getting medical treatment. We've been working on this case. But look, this is the pros and cons of this industry. A lot of people like to smack talk when we are successful with a case and see that the law firm gets paid. But on cases like this, no one gets anything. We have to drop the case because there's no pathway forward. Law firm doesn't get paid, doctors typically don't get paid, and the client doesn't get paid. The only other pathway forward now is if you go directly against the other driver, which if they don't have assets to go after, you'd be spinning your wheels because you could spend even more time, money, and effort getting it all the way to court. You could win in the courtroom, and the judge could declare that this person has to pay you in a judgment, and they may take it to their grave and never pay it. It's very unfortunate, but that's how the industry goes, and that's why it's very important that you have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy. That way, if someone causes an accident with no insurance, you have uninsured motorist coverage to protect you in this situation. I hope that this never happens to you, but if you would like a free case evaluation, feel free to reach out anytime. God bless you and have a good day.